wondering why God is silent sometimes in times of prayer. Parang nananalangin ka tapos God is not answering. No, and I had that a lot of times last year. Na it seems like God is silent. Na I was praying and praying and working, and then you're expecting, and then feeling mo parang, God, you're silent. Parang naiinip ka, ganyan, no? But I believe that every prayer, sinasagot yan ng Lord. Iba-iba nga lang ang paraan kung paano niya sagutin ang panalangin natin. Number 1, so here are 4 ways God answers prayers. Number 1 is, yes. If the intention is right, the timing is right, at makakabuti sa'yo, of course, it's a yes. Diba? Sasagutin ng Panginoon ng yes. But not every time na sinasagot ng Panginoon ang panalangin natin ng yes. Sometimes, God, kasi kahit naman magulang no? Sometimes we say no to our children. It's because hindi makakabuti sa kanila, the timing is not right, and the intention of asking that favor or prayer is not right. So, the answer is no. But there are 2 more answers. No. Number 3, so yes, no. Number 3 is slow. If the intention is right, but the timing is not right, probably, it's not in the right environment just yet. The people that will support you in that prayer is not yet ready. So, the answer is slow. You slow down. No, kasi kailangan pa natin ng favorable circumstances in order for that prayer to be answered. And finally, number 4 is we have to grow. So, grow in a sense that the intention is right, but the timing is not right. Because if God will give you that prayer, masasayang lang, masisira ka. Kasi you're not yet capable. You're not yet capable to handle that blessing of yours na pinagpipray mo. So eventually it will come, but you have to grow yourself first. Alam mo, yan yung napakalaking realization ko last year. Na ang isa palang business owner, no? Sabi nga nila, if you are in a new level, you have to learn or master another skill in order for you to sustain that new level of yours. Ang skills ng entrepreneur, if you're earning, $20,000 per year, iba. Ang skills ng entrepreneur, pag umabot ka ng 150, iba ulit. You have to grow, no? So that's what I realized, no? When I started earning 100 grand plus, ganyan, in business, na-realize ko na you have to be good in marketing. And then after that, iba na naman ang skills na kailangan mo. When you're earning more than that, ibang skills na naman, no? So iba-ibang level, iba-ibang skills. So, and I realized that I was praying for, Lord, grow my business, grow my business, grow my business. Eto pala, kailangan ko palang mag-grow in order for me to grow my business. It's because the level of competency that I have is not enough for me to sustain that success. So yun po yung 4 na paraan kung paano i-answer ng Lord yung ating mga panalangin. Number 1 is, of course, if it's right for you, and so God will say yes. God will say no if will destroy you. God will say slow if the environment is not yet right. And finally, God will say to you, you grow in order for you to have that blessing because it's not yet the right time for you to have that blessing. Maraming salamat po and you have a good day.